Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another demo. So in this video, I'm going to demo this really cool pyramid and spinning propeller designed by Jeremy Shafer, and check it out. So the pyramid is actually really cool too. So it's a nice triangular pyramid, and it's got a nice point right here. So yeah, and you can put it down like this, and this propeller right here is also really cool. So you just make sure that this point touches that point inside. So you put it on like that, and then you just blow on the side right there. See, it spins really nicely just like that. Isn't that cool? Yep, just like that. And to learn how to fold them, click right here for his tutorial. So yeah, it's a nice propeller. And yeah, I'm gonna see if I can make it spin on this thing right here. This just came from a burger. And this is what I use as my pointer for when I make tutorials. So yeah, you can also, yep, you can pretty much spin it on anything that's pointing just like that. So yeah, and that's pretty much it. And yeah, it's a nice pyramid. I'm gonna spin it one more time. Yep, I think it's pretty cool. So yeah, alright, hope you guys enjoyed this demo, and make sure you subscribe and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.